How to reset the TP-Link Deco M4 Wi-Fi system. First, reset using the physical button. The easiest way is using the small reset button underneath the Deco unit. TP-Link says pressing the reset button for about 1 second resets the unit to factory settings. First, keep Deco plugged into power. Turn it upside down. Find the small reset hole. Use a pin or paper clip. Press and hold for about 1 to 10 seconds and wait for the LED to change color. It's usually yellow when booting or resetting, or it's flashing blue when it's ready to set up again. Second method, reset through the Deco app. Open the Deco app, tap the network map, select the Deco unit, tap the menu icon, press remove and confirm reset. If resetting the whole system, remove satellite units first, then remove the main Deco last. If the reset doesn't work, unplug the Deco from power, hold the reset button, plug power back in while holding reset, and then keep holding for several seconds. Once reset, the old Wi-Fi name and password disappear. The Deco returns to factory setup mode. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.